Good morning. We are at the Port of San Francisco, getting ready to board the Carnival Magic on a 10-day Alaskan run. Come with us. Morning, guys. How are you?
What's your master's name?
D.
D is ring. Please just cross the hallway.
Great.
Hi. My name is Pier.
She's gonna be our muster station person.
We're gonna do the leg chugging demo, right? Just wait in front.
Well, now it's time to grab a burrito, have a Caribbean colada, and my wife's having a rum punch. Yes. We have a interior which has a king-size bed, which you could set it up either this way or have two separate beds. And then you have nightstands with drawers on both sides with a lamp. There are no outlets next to the on the lamps. We have the vanity, which has a little seat and it has drawers. Over on the far side of the room, we have a television, small television. We have the water that we ordered and a refrigerator down below. And behind these drawers, you will find the room safe. Okay. Over here we have 3 closets. One has shelving all the way through. The second is for hanging. It's got 2 different levels for hanging. And the third, You will find your life jackets on top, more hanging room, and these are additional linens, I guess. Now let's look at the bathroom. The bathroom is basically your standard cruise bathroom with the shower curtain, small toilet in the corner, the towels, the shelving for your toiletries, and your sink. Behind the front door, let's go find where my wife Anna is. And she is waiting for me to finish. Here you go. Come on in.
first night. How are you doing tonight? Yes! Welcome on board the beautiful Carnival Miracle. My name is Leah, and I get to be your cruise director for the next 10 fun-filled days. I am so excited. It's going to be great. Now, tonight, I'm going to introduce myself to you, and then we're going to get to know each other a little bit more, right? And then I'm going to give away one of our biggest prizes on board, our entertainment VIP prize pack. I'll I'll tell you more about that later though, okay? Don't worry. And then our playlist performers are gonna come out here and do their first big show for you, all right? So you have got a great, great night ahead of you. Now, this is a special cruise. We get to celebrate Memorial Day together, right? And on Memorial Day, we're gonna have our military appreciation gathering where all we do is we take a few minutes to stop and say thank you to all those who have served or who are currently serving. And that event is not just for our military personnel, right? I think everyone can come take a few minutes to say thank you. So be on the lookout for our military appreciation gathering. Now, here we go. Oh yeah, pop it out. Now over here, we have the amazing Clint all the way from the Philippines. Give him a big round of applause. Oh, you're really dancing for it. Oh, your ponytail's coming out. Your hair. Oh, the ponytail's there. And up next, we have our very own Lady Ocean, all the way from Jamaica. Give her a big round of applause. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, tonight is all about the hair, isn't it? Ooh. Now, whenever you see them around the ship, you know that you're gonna have a good time. We've got other fun stuff out there, but tonight, I need your help, okay? I need you to go out to the audience and find 2 couples that want to battle it out to be our entertainment VIPs. Let's see. Let's get those house lights up. Let's get back to the game. Now, right now, our fun squad, they have these buckets, okay? These belts, what I like to say. So, my friend, I need you to take a step forward, and I do need you to take a step forward, all right? We're gonna put these very fancy belts on you. Now these belts have boxes, and inside the boxes there are ping pong balls. Because the point of the game is to shake your junk and try and get all of the ping pong balls outside of the box. Okay, now you can empty it first. All right, why don't we count them in from 3 together, everyone? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Let's get that music a little bit louder. We got music. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh. They're shaking it. Try a new method. Don't worry, you got 40 seconds. 4, 2, 1, freeze. Wow. Let's see. You're out of breath, right? Let's see. Let's see how many you have. You have 1 left in there. 1 left. How many do we have left in here? There's 1 left in his as well. Wow. How did that happen? It's like Mary Poppins. Well, since it was a tie, can I make both of them our entertainment VIPs? Yes. Take a step forward with me, all right? Take a step forward. Now, since you are our entertainment VIPs, let me tell you what that means, all right? Now, right now, our fun squad, they have got these very fancy lanyards that say entertainment VIP, okay? Now, you need to wear that all around the ship because you're famous now, right? You're famous now. But not only that, I'll explain it to you. What you're gonna have is you're gonna have chocolate-covered strawberries sent to your room, right? You're gonna have a bottle of wine given to you at your first night in the dining room. You're gonna get a trophy. You're gonna get a medallion. Also a bingo package that you can use in any of the bingo games. However, the biggest part of all, for all of our main shows here in this lounge, you are going to have reserved seating located right over there. Now I think we should start this show with a bit of a slow clap. Let's go clap. Now welcome to the stage, your playlist performers in the Welcome Aboard show. Let them hear ya.
One more little promise. Good luck is standing on way. What's in behind it? Now you gotta run.
I'm Leah, your cruise director, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye, everyone.